Good morning, guys. Welcome to the live feed. Just turned it on. There's not much going on in the market. Not at this time. There's a couple of plays, but JFBR would have been good pickup around 210, 220. SNOA is not a play for us. Denon would have been a great play, but need a bounce. Denon, probably possibly 190 plus is also good. ATOS is a cancer news trying to move. Denon should fade actually. Denon is a fader. ATOS as a cancer news, so move up is probably possible. And probably 89 cents at least. I can see 89 cents on ATOS. Yep, 89 cents is coming on that one. So SNOA still has interest in at 6 o'clock. They had 500K volume, 600K volume. There should be a fake one and then a drop. This is an RSI play actually. But in pre-market, it's not fun to take RSI plays. You need parabolic, you need A plus in pre-market. But looks like an RSI play here. An RSI play and 450 entry, 440 entry. So guys, yesterday we had a pretty good day too. I know I did not do the pre-market. I think there were BLBX and OPTX from yesterday. In pre-market, they were awesome. It was a slow pre-market. Now we had a couple of really good charts. Take a look at this one, guys. This was an awesome chart. AEON. So in our team, some people are still confused. Why is there so many entries? I mean, they are very silly to even ask the question, why is there so many entries? So I explained it to them that this is a buildup of a position in that area. So if I want to get a target of 129, I'm building positions from 127, and I feel I'm watching the volume, this is what you need to watch, this area, to build your position. If you see a good build up and no breakout, it's in an area, you build a position, you go heavy. Then of course you can take profit at 10% to 12% to 16%. Again, you build it up, you again take profit. If you're oversized, first you cut, balanced, then this is where you get paid. So if you were to take like JFBR, right now I'm trading JFBR. Let me go ahead and get rid of this first. So I am trading JFBR. Now, why is there just one triangle? Because is that what I'm supposed to get my average to, 176? The answer is no. That's not what I'm supposed to get my average to. I just taken 9.5%, guys, on JFBR. So this is a smaller size. That's not the size I'm supposed to win with. My average needs to be somewhere around 194. Why 194? Take a look. Why 194? This is 213. So mark your line for today on JFBR. Not that it's going to happen anymore. Very unlikely. Now you see why 191 is the minimum I needed. This is a weak area. This is a better area. Right here is the better area, 227. This is the best area we could ask for, right here between this and this. However, it's falling. So, you get in at 175, you sell it at 157, you make your 10%, you're done. Small size, token size. It is 10% still. It is some $400, $408, but that's not it. So you get it once. Now this is one execution. But if you see a cluster right here, I'm trying to build as much size as I can. And that's our style. And then if we're oversized, at 183, 187 we'll cut it, and then 177, 174 will take our 10% from a 202 average, or 197 average, or 191 average for that matter. Hope it makes sense, because somebody from the team had asked me that question. Anyway, good to start my day with the 10% here. Always I'm looking for one winner to get us going. This JFBR is going to go all out, actually. Even 9% is going to disappear. That's a fader. T-non looks like will fail as well. Just if it comes up on a RSI, guys, T-non, we can take it. If it comes up on RSI, this is bottom of the RSI right now, comes up on RSI and somewhere around this 190 to 198, that's the area I would like to get in. I wouldn't mind 220 on top of that, but should fail overall. Anybody else chased JFBR? Nice one, PJ. Yeah, good work, Linda. It was going to fail. It's still going to fail another 4%. It looks like 148. Who knows? Sometimes these are like tending to go like even lower, like negative. Yeah, T-non looking weak as well. SNOA levels are 5 and 6. No touching there, but make sure that you get locates, guys. It's going to be play. SNOA is going to be play for within the day today itself sometime. It's 2 cents. Market out to rebound a little today. I would like to see another 1,000-point drop in market. I'd like to see Dow Jones get under 38%. So there's an echo coming from. I'd like to see market shed out another 1,000 points. Right now it's at 41. Actually 42 still. Pretty strong. NASDAQ at 17,000. Yeah, it would be a play later for sure. I will definitely get our 2 cents back from them no matter what. There are 2 earnings yesterday. ASAN I was interested in on ORCL. I didn't play either of them. They were like in middle of no man's land. One just fell, one popped up. Both had a bad earning. Oracle had a pretty bad earning too. But because they said the guidance that they're going to make 15% more profit next year, they try to bounce it, and they brought it back to 142 from 157. I didn't touch either of them, so my earnings is still 28 and 2. Let's see what's United had an earning today this morning. Let me see who else has earnings. Oh, let me put this up meantime. There we go. Para 20, what is it? MNTS. MNTS. We have played this before. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. MNTS is a good short. It's a good
There's
short.
news. They have, it's announcing a strategic partnership for on-demand communication for space systems.
Okay. I like that. Still 34% up. Come on up a little. Come on up. Oh, no. One more move. Their level is good. Dailies are bad. 1 hour is good. Right around 260. 260. It's a pretty volatile stock. It's been falling and falling and falling, guys. I don't have a good size, but let's see if we can get 215. That would be fine. 217 would be fine too. All right, guys, that is 10% right there. I got my target, 215, 216 actually. Got my target. It's good to start 2 wins back to back, but I told you guys JFBR. So JFBR, I'm gonna cut some more. How many people got MNTS and chased it? Because it is 10%. Why? I mean, it sat at 245, 250. You guys could have done a lot better. News is just about reading and interpretation of the news. What's so special about that news that you guys didn't take it? Don't you guys have history of the MNTS? That's why I said memorize your charts. Don't you guys know every time we get into MNTS it pays? I'm all out. Made my 16%, 15%. Look at that. It's all sell. ATNM. There's 10%. There is 13%. 2 wins back to back. Yeah, even this is going negative. This MNTS. After I got in, it went back to 255. The reason I didn't take 255 because I wanted to take 265. ONDS is some sort of a cancer news, I believe. ONDS. ONDS. No. It's a Palantir type of news. Oh wow. This is fallen. Not interested in this one. Not interested this one till 140, guys. It is 36% up, but not interested till it gets to 165. But this MNTS is all sell. Went to 185. I sold it at 2. ONDS not interested till it gets to 147, 145. ONDS. Does that mean it's a long? No. It does have a decent news that Palantir Foundry platform system is using them. Autonomous system shares are trading higher, but it's a sort of like news that can help pump this stock. Palantir has gone from like $8 to $120, so just like Nvidia, anything associated with Nvidia did big last 4 months. There is 95 coming from 101, but that's not enough for me to take this play. It should bounce up. TNON has bounced up as well. I mean, MNTS, guys, 210 to 190, 180. 180 is coming on that MNTS. MNTS is bad. So I'm very surprised that you guys didn't take it. And even after I get in, still gives you literally 30 seconds, 40 seconds to go in. But this ONDS should go higher, guys. It should cross 120s, 130s. Look at how sweet this was right there. It's a pretty bad news actually. This ONDS. It's a very average news. The like so they are taking Palantir system and utilizing. Oh my gosh, are you serious? People are reading that news opposite. It's not like Palantir is using them. It's they are utilizing Palantir's autonomous system. It's another communication stock just like MNTS. Yes, it does. 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. All the pro platforms will allow you not only Trade Zero, Centerpoint, Guardian, Cobra, Interactive Broker, they will all allow you to trade from 4 a.m. in the morning. You got to pay for them though. I'm using NVIDIA chip in my laptop. You all should buy shares in Greg. I know, right? Exactly, Greg. I know. That's the dumbest thing this ONDS is doing. Bowen is so Bowen. Here's the funniest part. There's a 1 million volume that still makes ONDS interesting here, and it is likely to get to 120, but it's not a long. But Bowen will win without thought and reason on STT on this one. He has no idea what is happening. I can see price action will take this up there. News will not. The catalyst will not. The catalyst doesn't suggest ONDS is a long. And he's going to win 3 and he's going to lose 7 based on this. So this is exactly what he does in STT. Takes this, but I know he's going to win on this one because I can see there's 1 million interest. And they're going to take it straight to 120. Watch. So if you guys want to go long, it's going to make you 120, this ONDS. 127. I mean, I can read it. I can read it in my sleep.
ONDS pumping to the highs now, that collaboration with Palantir.
So it is going. It is 110. You'll see 120. You'll see 127. So he's going to win by being stupid. I'm not going long by knowing exactly what is happening. Just because of price action, you cannot trade price action. But the price action is uncoordinated. Every time they're looking for a million volume here, 0.7 million volume.
ONDS, Raj.
I am talking about ONDS. What do you think I'm talking about?
Sorry.
I was talking about ONDS running on a price action. Not because of the news, but it's going toward 127, 140. You can bet it is going toward 127 and 140. I said that when it was 95 cents. Yeah, they're bogus. They can jump on it. RCT is not what they're supposed to look at it. They're supposed to look at the supply and demand on it. Look at the moving averages at 105. They are not letting the moving average come down. It's meeting them up. It was supposed to get to 95. It did. Moving average, it touched 95. It's going to go to 104. You know, look at MNTS, guys, a 170. That was complete fail. So this is going to get to 105. But this is also going to, what do you call, 127. But that's not RCT. RCT is bogus. If RCT was the case, they would have gone long on MNTS as well. But this is, yeah, this is the dip. I just told you, look at, so what exactly are you looking at? Right here. Look at the moving average. Look at the last time it touched. Right here, I told you guys it will touch 95. It did. It bounced. Look at this. This is the interest part. This is called supply and demand. Okay? So right now they are at 700K candle. 680K candle. Watch this soar up. This is not giving up. This is not dropping. So if you're short, you're not going to make too much money. You have to have a perfect entry to make money on this. 10%. So you stay out of it. It does not interest me. But MNTS gave it all. Yeah, this thing will soar up to 127. They're going to take a little time now as opposed to before. But this is not dropping. This is not dropping, guys. Guys, time to build up some position in TNON. TNON between 194 and 198 is the entry point. And it's a build-up area. And you can watch ONDS run, by the way. I'm just letting you know. You know, I already said that. When was the last time I got it wrong? Can you go long? No. Can our system go long? No. Meantime, TNON, I told you guys in the morning, 190 is the area and 220 is the add area. ONDS will have a little game. We'll build up some volume, get pumped up. Watch out. It is going to go up. The last candle was still 600K. This candle right here was 600K. It is going to get to 120s. And that's just prediction based on supply and demand. 127s. Not because of some red candle theory. Seriously. It's going to get to 127. 120s, watch. It's going to happen so easily. News is average. Okay. Candles, look at that. Another 700K candle. 120, just 4 cents away. If you guys chased it from 105, you're 10% already. At 123, 124, you can sell and get out. Look at that. Last candle, over $1 million. They're enjoying it, but believe me, they are fools over there trying to do the way they do it. I can sit and tell you that it is going to go 120. I've been saying this for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes now. Why? Because demand is there, you stupid. Look at that. Another 700K candle. Are you guys watching it live? Did it cross our demand candle? Yes. It crossed our demand candle. So whatever you want to call it, that's a pump, by the way. That is a pump.
Morning, guys.
What's up, AKS?
Morning, Raj.
So Diego, you shorted it, right? ONDS?
No.
I'm just checking on you. I'm just messing with you.
ONDS and MNTS sound very similar, so that's why I got confused.
No, but I've been talking about how OMNDS will get into the 127 area.
Yep.
Since
I know.
95.
I'm flat ONDS.
Good. Had you taken long, you'd have made money. How many people took long because I said it is going to get there? Let's hear it from the room. Linda would have taken it. Mark did not. Yeah, I mean, I didn't take it. You guys can see it live, right? I mean, I have it. I didn't do live yesterday, but not that we had it. Trying to stay to our system. Did not hear the magic word. Yeah. No, I mean, it was easy when I could see, but then one thing, if there was a catalyst and I saw the price action, I would be like, yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm not afraid of longs. It's just that.
News is that they are utilizing Palantir platform.
Right, exactly. That's what Greg said. He's using NVIDIA in his laptop. Why don't you buy Greg's shares? Yeah, it's going 127, guys. They are not relenting on the moving average. You guys see how they brought the moving average to 114. So they're going to touch that, bounce it again. They are going 127 and 140. That's when we're going to get interested as a short. Let them
Yeah,
get
138, 140 area, right, Raj?
Correct. Look at that. 120 is happening. I know this 120. Another 10% is coming. I know this. Don't you see another 600K candle at the bottom? 630.
JBLU shares getting another pop here. Juliet Bravo Lima uniform.
JBLU. 7%, never mind. But yeah, this 120 just hit 120. I said that at 95. He would have made good 25% profit. But Bowen goes it for all the wrong reasons. He wouldn't know anything about what I just read to you guys. Or most people, 90% people wouldn't have a clue. I just drew a line right at the volume bar. Here you go, guys. I'll post it in the room. I drew that yellow line on the volume bar. That's your demand and supply. It's a shitty news, but it's demand and supply. And when you see the moving average getting pushed again and again and again, that's when you know this is not coming down and it's going to touch certain areas.
Redbook US retail sales plus 5.7%.
It's almost 9 o'clock as well, so we'll be careful.
March plus 5.7%.
Yep.
March a year ago, that's Redbook.
Any plays you guys taken this morning?
Yep, taken 2 plays. We took here. We took JFBR. You guys can see, you can see that.
AFBR. Oh wow, big graph.
And we took MNTS right there. You see them? So guys, there's a live on Twitter and YouTube. You guys can get on there. And I'm also in on TNON, I told you guys. So TNON is about 4% as of now. I'm going to take it around 180. It did 180 just now. I'll wait for 177. But remember, I told you where to take TNON, at least an entry price. Let me ask how many people are in TNON. You guys missing plays after plays after plays. Nice, nice. That's the
Just
area.
went in live.
That press release announcing it supplied Mercedes with LiDAR sensors. $18 now on Eastside, 1808 popping here, up more than $2. Hotel Sandy Alpha, India.
Hotel Sandy Papa India. Hotel Sandy Papa India. What? Hotel Sandy Papa India. There's no sticker like that. HSAI, okay. HSAI. Oh wow. Seems like some sort of a buyout. HSAI. Let's see what HSAI is like. HSAI. Group shares are trading higher after company announced secured multi-year deal with Mercedes to supply the LiDAR sensor. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have never played HSAI. It's not our play. That's right, Greg. And once ONDS starts selling, it will sell all. Okay, pumpers will go release it. Hopefully they were just not up to 123, because we do want to play it when the market opens, guys. ONDS is a pure pump. Pump, 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 pump. You know, we would have made money, man. 96 to 123. That's what I told you guys to sell it, right? If you're long, you would sell it at 123. You don't wait for 127 and 137. You sell it at 123 and hit 123. You'd have sold it at 120 also. It's a little more pump, and I think after that they get done. 15 million volume, huh? Crazy people. There's 125, there's 127. I told you, there's more pump.
To its co-founder at
They're gonna claim this
per share that
as a beautiful long without knowing the real reason why it's even running. Because it's being pumped. It's a breakout. Now it's getting into short territory.
Yeah, it's past 9 o'clock for us.
Stay put.
Spruce Point with a
But this is how you read longs and this is how you read shorts, guys. So read that long. I told you guys where it is headed. Then you have JFBR. Even at 170, I said this is short. This will fade. This will go in zeros. This is MNTS right here. Where's MNTS? I told you guys that absolutely short. It's going to go zero. And it went zero. You know, that's how it works. If you can find a better person who can read the supply and demand, match up with me. Match up with me. I'll learn a thing or two.
LIQT with tech expands distribution coverage in Irish pool water filtration market. That's Lima, India, Quebec, Tango.
It's always fun to learn. So if somebody can read better, I would learn from them for sure. Look, it doesn't have a news. It doesn't have a newsworthy, but yet it's being pumped. It doesn't have a news being worthy. Lynn probably is going to come up. Lynn, can you look up the cash on it? He's going to say, this company doesn't have any cash. But yet no, we're not shorting. Why? Lynn, if you can look up, or anybody can look up their cash available for ONDS. What is that? Look at that. The company has 9 months worth of cash. Their burn is 8.45. They have 25 million cash as of now. ONDS, so what is their market cap right now? Market cap is 200, no, where is ONDS? Market cap is 124 million. They basically doubled their market cap today. They doubled their market cap, guys. 130. I told you 127 was the number. And they've crossed it. Next is 137. That's when you go short. But again, we won't short it because now it's 9 o'clock, past 9 o'clock. We won't short it. Look at ONDS. I've been saying it for half an hour now. It's a long, it's a long, it's a long, it's a long. And yet, I can tell you, a lot of people in the short market are shorting. They have no clue that it's not now. It's not now. You know, all these shorts, they have no idea how to short it either. They have no idea what's going on here. And TNON is an RSI play. So we have taken an RSI play on TNON in area and an RSI, combination of two. That's what we have done. Volume can hold a little, but it should fail. TNON generally fails tremendous.
Good morning. I know it's 9.
You're not even
I guess
listening,
nothing's
Ira.
open.
You're not even listening. If you listen for 2 minutes, you'll know which is open, what is not open.
I get the phone. So,
ONDS is up there if you want to take it. We're not shorting it. We're talking about there's only 2 or 3 stocks. ONDS is up there. We're not shorting it. It's in the area. You want to short it, you can. So if you're asking something is open, ONDS is open, TNON is open, TNON, and Oscar Nancy Delta Sandy. Yeah, we can hold or we can close in another 5 minutes. We can hold or we can close in 5 minutes. It's worth closing, Greg. It's worth closing. MNTS at 170. So this is running into short area. This is where you build your position on ONDS at this point. ONDS will go 111 to 114 from 130s, guys. Now it's a short. It's going to go from here. It's going 114. Watch it. Now I'm the one, if you guys watching live on my social media, I'm telling you it's short from this area. Why is it short from this area? The volume is starting to sell. Now I'm going to show you this area. Look at the 1 hour. This is the one right here. This is one and this is one. And I'm going to show you on daily as well. Watch these lines. Look at this. Look at this. So August, Feb, March of 2024. Then December. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and today would be the 5th time. Now, after that, you get stopped out. Oops, sorry. There we go. After you get stopped out, your next best area is this. Look at this. How fabulous is 194? So you basically don't play over 153. You play from here to 114. And watch out. It's 114 is going to come. I'm telling you, 114 is going to come. So you can get in 133, you add at 137, 138, get your average to 135. You'll have to stop out at 153. And you have to have a stop when you go in as a short. You have to have your stop. So I gave you a stop. 153, 152, 151 is a stop as well. And look for 114, 114 to 111. And if 150 breaks, this goes into the $2 bracket, the 194s, and then more on and on and on. The volume is a lot. They build up 21 million volume in a matter of 25 minutes. You're just showing us a level. Talk us through because of the time. You're not suggesting we get in. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Yeah. And from here you can see the volume slowing down. There's going to be a huge sell. These people are going to take profits. These people are going to take profits. These people are going to take profits. You guys can get the locate feedback if you guys want to. You know, if you want to charge just to get your locate feedback, this isn't an area. Okay, MLGO guys has done its game. Again, back to 5. Went to 370. I want to jump in so badly on this ONDS, really bad. All right, guys, it's 9:10. We're going to go ahead and turn off our live feed. Thank you for joining. Again, we have had a couple of really good wins. I read you guys ONDS as easily as JFBR short. You can see how we shorted it, how we made 14%, 15%. You can see how we did MNTS, shorted it, made our 14, 15% there as well. We told you ONDS is a short now. It's going to make your locate fee as at least, you know, it's going to get you under 120, no doubt about it. But, and then we told you it's 95 to 127 and 137 long. It went to 127 without a doubt. Now it's coming down. You're going to see 114. So anyway, thanks for joining us, guys. Please like, share. We're going to be here tomorrow. Again, you have to like and share. If we're doing a good job, can read you better than most of these pundits that's out there, or indicators. We are ahead of indicators by far, guys. We are better than indicators. ONDS, look at what I've been telling you. It's near 120. Have a good one, guys. Thank you again. Like, subscribe, share. And if you want to join, where is our HammerXTrader thing? Right here. And if you want to join, guys, head over to HammerXTraders. Just click on 5-day link. You're going to be landing in our Discord room. You're going to have fun. We're there live every day. I was going to recap today. Yesterday's trade, we had done really, really well, 17 and 1. So we're doing as awesome as anybody can. We'll see you later. Bye.